Unboxing. User manual. T. Tube. Leg. T. Small C snap black. Big C snap gray. Handrail. Toilet paper holder. C tube. Please refer to the user manual. Assemble. Step 1. Insert the T-tube into the handrail tube, with the holes aligned. Insert the big C-snap gray. Note, the gray big C-snap must be installed on the T-tube. Step 2. Insert the C-tube into the T-tube, with the holes aligned. Insert the small C-snap black. Note, the black small C-snap must be installed on the C-tube. To assemble the tubing on the other side, Step 3. Insert the 4 legs into the handrail tubes, and make sure the marbles pop up completely. Step 4. Snap the seat onto the C-tube. Step 5. Install toilet paper holder. Height adjustment. Press down on the leg marbles and adjust to the bed height.